Hey everyone, and welcome back. Today I will be showing you the products I use to achieve this look. And I think I'm calling it Shimmering Wine Glam or something like that. I've been doing so many looks that I just run out of names, so I just pick random stuff now. But yeah, this is what I came up with. I was actually planning some makeup earlier and I did another look, but I just did the one eye because I wasn't really sure where I wanted to go with it. So then I had these colors and I wanted to do a look with these also. So this time I did the whole face. So this is what I used. Um, I was watching YouTube a couple days ago when a makeup artist that I've been following for years. She went on a kind of sabbatical, I guess. I mean, she was still, on social media, but she wasn't doing makeup tutorials like she started out doing. So I guess she was kind of take giving that a rest a little bit. So she did her first makeup tutorial in some years. So I was dead on it because I was excited to, see her back in that element. So it was the Mind Catcher, if you're familiar with her and her work. So she mentioned the Coastal Scents eyeshadows and brushes. So I'm still using mine too. And so I said, well, in this look, I'll use some of the Coastal Scents eyeshadows in this look. And I also have the shimmers are from Pastel Roses. So right under the brow, I used, so everything in the transition area is Coastal Scents. So I used this color in bright yellow. And then to blend in that, I used the infamous Oktoberfest. And if you know, you know. That one there. And then I used, this orange color in dark mango. Oop, and I just dropped it. Dark mango. And then I blended in that color with another Coastal Scents color in vibrant plum. It's this one right here. And that one I kind of put in the crease. So then I applied a base from MAC in Great Dame. It's one of their, I think, fluid line little cream things there. So it's a dark shimmery burgundy. So I have put that on the lid for the base. And then I started going in with the shimmers. So I started in this outer corner here with the color from Pastel Roses in Lagoon Nebula. Get my little tool. So as you can see, it's a very pretty burgundy, but it shifts from like a orange to a green. And I don't know if I can get it to come up. Oh, there's some green there. Yeah. So I applied that on the outer. And then in the middle of the lid, I applied this color from Pastel Roses and Galaxy Dust. So this one is also a shifter. It let's see if I can get that. It's one of the multi-chrome, so it's got like the colors of the rainbow in there depending on which angle you got it in. And I have my mirror in here to see if that'll give you an idea of the shift. But then in the inner corner, I'm using crystal dust. So this was galaxy dust. And this is crystal dust. I used this in a previous tutorial under the brow. So this time I used it in the inner corner. And then I applied on top of the middle shade, if you can see that shimmer, that glitter. This, I got this from a beauty supply. It's by Malibu Glitz Heavy Metal Glitter Gel. So that's what it looks like. And it kind of matched my galaxy dust color. So I just applied it on top to give it some more glitz and glimmer and shimmer. And then for the lower lash line, I applied this liner from ColourPop in one of their cream gel liners in Joyride. It's a burgundy. Whoops. Kind of a lighter burgundy. But then I went over it with that vibrant plum color. And then in the inner corners, right there, can't see it too much over there, but I applied the Lagoon Nebula again. And then in the innermost quarters, I used Heavenly Naturals. I talked about them in my last tutorial. The Opal Shifting Loose Pigments by Heavenly Naturals. This is in the color Bubbles, and it gives off a purple shift. So that's what I have in the innermost corners of the tear duct. And then, let's see. Oh, I wanted to try to see if this will show anything. I've been seeing people do this on social media where they'll hold up a mirror when there's a shift, and to see if that'll... So let me see if that'll tell you. I don't know if you can see much. I said I would try it anyway, but yeah, so it's my little Glam light mirror. And speaking of Glam light, the lips. So I am using, let me see what did I do with the box? Oh, one of their lip kits in red wine, the red wine lip kit. So it came with a lip liner, lipstick, and lip gloss. So this is, let me show you the different parts. The lip liner is, what did I do with it? It's up here. Oh, here it is. It's like a burgundy or wine color. So I line the lips with that. You can see it. And then I applied the lipstick, which looks like this. And it's got the little burgundy on it because I lined the lips first. But it's a kind of, I guess, peachy nude, which I thought was different, but it actually goes with the look. And then it came with a lip gloss. So the lip gloss is kind of that color, like a wine color. And so once you put the lip gloss on, it kind of changes the lipstick, because before I put the gloss on, it was just kind of just that peachy nude. But then with this burgundy applied on top of the lipstick, it kind of turned it to a more of a pinky nude color. So really pretty. That was a surprising combination. So for cheeks, I'm using MAC. I'm using Fever. And for highlight, I'm using Format. And for foundation today, I'm using Estee Lauder's Double Wear Foundation. This is in the shade 7W1 Deep Spice. I just decided to switch it up. I usually use Danessa Myricks, but today I just put this one on. And yeah, I just, set it with powder and everything, my Charlotte Tilbury powder. But yep, the earrings I got from a local boutique called The Missing Piece. It's actually ran by and owned by a former coworker of mine. And so I got the earrings from her boutique. I got some more stuff from her boutique that I'll be showcasing as we go along on the tutorials. And this necklace I've worn before. I got it from Etsy. It's got the iridescent yin yang. And then the nails, they actually went with the other look that I was playing around with. This is in the Galaxy of Innocence from Mooncat. So it kind of goes with the shirt and everything, the purple anyway. So yes, this is the look. And so I believe that's it. I'll go ahead and link the tutorial down below for TikTok. That's where I did the tutorial. And if I'm squinting a lot, it's because these contacts and lashes, and if you know, you know. Contacts, lashes, eyeshadows, all in your eyeballs and stuff. So, sometimes it can be irritating. I know I'm blinking a lot and squinting because this eye is kind of irritated. So I do apologize, but yes, I hope you like this look. Give you another close-up. And I hope this look will inspire you to create something of your own. Thanks for watching.